Hi all, welcome to Amrita IAS Academy. We are here with our program Learn CSAT through PYQs with another topic dealing with the previous year questions from the topic cube. While analyzing UPSC previous year question papers from the year 2014 to 2021, there were around 6 questions have asked from this particular topic. One thing that I have to mention that the questions, all the questions from this particular topic are very simple. An aspirant has to understand only the basics of cube, then he or she will be able to solve all the questions. There is no shortcut or no easy method or no equations. Clear? So once again, welcome to the program Learn CSAT through PYQs. We are going to solve the questions from the year 2014. So let's look the first question. The question reads, each of the 6 different faces of a cube has been coated with a different color, that is violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow and orange. Following information is given. The first information or the first statement is colors Y, O and B are on adjacent faces. Colors I, G and Y are on adjacent faces. Colors B, G, Y are on adjacent faces. Colors O, V, B are on adjacent faces. Which is the color of the face opposite to the face colored with the O? So this is a question and these are the 4 information or 4 statement that is given. Clear? Okay. So first of all we have to understand the 4 statement that is given. So the first statement is colors Y, O and B are on adjacent faces. We know that a cube has 6 faces. Clear? Okay. So let me first mention what actually an adjacent face means. See, if it is a cube, this face, this face, this face are adjacent faces. Clear? Because these 3 faces are adjacent to each other. Similarly, this face, the left face and the front face, this face and the bottom face, these 3 faces are also adjacent faces. So there are different adjacent faces, and this question, the first statement says colors Y, O and B are on adjacent faces, which means that these 3 faces are adjacent to each other, these 3 colors are adjacent to each other, that is Y, O, B are adjacent faces or are adjacent to each other. The second statement, that is colors I, G, Y are on adjacent faces. Okay, which means I, G and Y are adjacent faces. Clear? Okay. The third statement, colors B, G and Y are adjacent faces. The colors B, G and Y are adjacent faces. Clear? The fourth one, colors O, V, B are adjacent faces. O, V, B are on adjacent faces. So these are the 4 information that is given in the question. But the actual question is, what is the which is the color of the face opposite to the face colored with O? So that we have to understand the different 6 faces of this cube. And what color is painted on each face of this cube. Clear? 6 colors are here: violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow and orange. We have to find which color is painted on which face. Clear? That is what is actually the question demands. Okay. We have to draw the cube. Okay, so this is a cube. Let me put this information into this cube. Clear? Okay, fine. So the first information is the colors Y, O, B are on adjacent faces. Okay, what can I write? See, Y is here, O is here, B is here. So the top face is colored with O, the front face is colored with, top face is colored with Y, the front face is colored with O and the right face is colored with what? B. B means black. Okay, B means blue. So Y or B is adjacent faces. The second information, I, G and Y are on adjacent faces. See, understand one thing. I, G, Y are on adjacent faces. See, y is here and IG is adjacent to y. Y is here, IG is adjacent to y. Now understand one thing. What are the adjacent faces of y? What are the adjacent faces of y? The front face is adjacent to y. The right face is adjacent to y. The left face, which is not able to see, the black face is also adjacent to what? Y. So there are 4 faces adjacent to the face colored with the y. Clear? But the front face is already colored with the orange. The right face is already colored with the blue. So now we have left with only 2 faces. The left face is that is face opposite to that of B, and the back face that is face opposite to that of O. Clear? Okay. So there is, so this face, that is back face, the face opposite to the back face can be what? Can be I or G, because both I can come here, G can come here. If G comes with the back face, that is face opposite to O, then definitely which face will come to the face opposite to B? G. If I comes at the back face, G will comes at the left face. If G comes at the back face, I comes at the left face. Clear? So there are 2 possibilities. I can come here, G can come here. If I comes here, then G will come here. If G comes at the back face, I will come at the left face. Clear? Okay. So second statement is over. Third statement. Colors B, G and Y are on adjacent faces. Colors B, G and Y. B, G and Y are on adjacent faces. See, B and Y is here. Now the question is, where is G? If G is here, B, Y, G cannot be adjacent faces because G is opposite to B. So G cannot be an adjacent face to B. Clear? So then definitely G must come at the back face, so that G, Y and B are adjacent faces. I think you got the idea. B is at the right side, Y is at the top side. If G comes at the back face, then G, Y, B can be adjacent faces. So what we can write? G will come here. If G comes there, then what? I will definitely come at the left face, that is face opposite to that of B. Clear? Now 5 faces are okay. V is missing, then definitely V will come at the base. V will come at the base. So base contain Y, right side B, left side I, front face O, top face Y, back face what? G. So these are the different colors coated on different faces of this cube. Clear? So this is the final picture. Now read the question. Which is the color of the face opposite to the face colored with O? The face colored with O is front face. The question is, what is the color of the face opposite? Opposite means back side. What is the color of the opposite face? It's green. G is the color. So the answer for this question is G, that is option C is the correct answer. Simple question. Okay. Moving to next question. The question is, a solid cube of 3 cm side, painted on all its faces, is cut up into small cubes of 1 cm side. How many of these small cubes will have exactly 2 painted faces? Okay. First of all, let me draw a cube. Okay, so this is a cube. One side is 3 cm. Okay, 3 cm. Is cut up into small cubes of 1 cm side. Okay, so this large cube is cut into small cubes of each side having a dimension of 1 cm. Clear? Okay. So let me cut. So this is 1 cm. This is 1 cm. This is 1 cm. And also we have to cut here also. This is 1 cm. This is 1 cm. This is 1 cm. So definitely it will also 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. So it's a cube of 1 centimeter sides. Clear? Okay. So the top face is cut. So this is the idea. So the large cube having sides of 3 centimeter is cut into small cubes of side 1 centimeter. So this is the case. Now read the question. How many of these small cubes will have and this cube is painted on all sides, is cut into small cubes of 1 centimeter side. How many of these small cubes will have exactly 2 painted faces? Okay, exactly 2 painted faces. Do this face exactly has 2 painted faces? No. This is a painted face. This cube means this is a cube. So this side has a painted face, this side is a painted face, this side is also a painted face. So this corner cube contain 3 faces having colors. Clear? So this is not a case. Also this is not possible. This is also a corner cube. This is also not possible. This is also not possible. Then what is possible? See, is this possible? No, this is a central face. This cube contain a face, only one face having color, because only this face is has color. The inside faces doesn't have any colors. So this is also not possible. Then what is possible? Is this possible? Yes, because this cube has only 2 faces having colors, this face and this face. This is also possible. This cube has only 2 faces having colors, this and this faces. The inside faces doesn't have any colors, because the initial cube is colored only on this periphery, not inside. So this face and this face has only colors. Similarly this face. Similarly this face. So the front face, it has 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cubes have exactly 2 painted faces. Clear? Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me take this face. For this face, this cube has already counted because it is part of this one. Clear? Okay. What are remaining? 1, 2, 3. Clear? So already the front face has 3 cubes. The right face has 3 faces. Similarly, the left face also has what? 3 faces. See, this cube is also counted. What are remaining? It remains 3 cubes. Right? Okay. Now we are left with one other face, the opposite face. For that opposite face, how many cubes are already taken? See, listen. This face is already taken. This face is already taken. Why? Because this face is counted for, this cube is counted for this right face. Okay. This face is already taken. This face means the left face is already taken, and it was a cube that also part of the back face. So that cube is also taken. So then what remains? This one and the face and the cube exactly opposite to this. So there are only 2 cubes. So the total number 4 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 2 is 12. So the number of cubes having 2 painted faces is 12. So yes, the option A is 12. Option A is the correct answer. I hope you got the idea. See, for the back face, normally a face has 4 cubes having 2 painted faces. For among these 4, one is taken for this face and this one is taken for this face. So what is left? It is left with 2 cubes. The top one and the bottom one. This one and the bottom one. That is the 2 cubes. So total it contains 12 cubes. 12 cubes having 2 painted faces. Clear? Okay. Moving to the next question. A cube has all its faces painted with different colors. it is cut into smaller cubes of equal sizes such that the side of the small cube is 1/4 of the big cube. The number of small cubes with only one of the sides painted is. Only one of the sides painted is. Okay. See, let me draw the cube first. It is a question similar to the last question. That is why I am doing this question just after the previous question. Actually, this is a question asked in the year 2019. So this is a large cube and all its faces are painted with different colors. Okay, whatever. It is cut into smaller cubes of equal sizes such that the side of the small cube is 1/4 of the big cube, which means that it has to be cut into 4 different pieces. This is the first case. Okay. Okay, so the large cube is cut into different small cubes of each side is 1/4 of the big cube. Clear? Okay, fine. The question is the number of small cubes with only one of the sides painted is. So these are small different cubes. The question is the number of small cubes with only one of the sides painted. Okay, let me take. Only one of the sides painted. Is this face? Is this cube has only one painted face? No, it has 2 painted face. Is this possible? It is also not possible. It has 3 painted face. It has 2 painted face. It is not possible. It is not possible. It is also not possible. So these faces are not possible because all these faces, all these cube has at least 2 painted faces. It has 3 painted faces. It has 2 painted faces. Okay. So then what is left with this this cube contain only 1 painted faces. It also has only 1 painted faces. It also has only 1 painted faces. It also has only 1 painted faces. So there are only 4 painted face, 4 cubes having only 1 painted faces. Okay, this is the case for this front face. Then what for this face? This one, this one, this one, this one. Okay, so for this face, how many painted faces are there? How many cubes having only 1 painted face? There are 4 such cases. So here for 4, for the front faces, for the front face there are 4 cubes. For this right face there are 4 faces. Clear? Okay. So for this face there are 4. For this face there are 4 cubes. For this face there are 4 cubes. Actually, how many faces are there? There are 6 faces. Each face has 4 cubes having only 1 painted face. For this face there are 4 cubes. For this face there are 4 cubes, and also for every face there will be 4 cubes. So the total number of cubes will be 4 into 6, that is 24. The answer for this question is option B, 24. So it has 24 cubes having only 1 painted face. Clear? Okay. So answer for this question is option B, 24. The next question, oh, it's hard to read, I think. Okay, fine. Let me read the question first. Rotated positions of a single solid are shown below. The various spaces of the solid are marked with a different symbols like dot, cross and a line. Answer the 3 items that follow the given figures. Okay, the first figure is a solid cube or solid die. The top is a line. The front face is 1 dot. The right face is 2 dot. Clear? Okay. So this is the second image. The front face is 2 dot. Top face is a line. Right face is 3 dot. Okay. The next is the top face is a line. Front face is 3 dot. Right face is 4 dot. Next, the top face is a cross and the front face is 2 dot, right face is a single dot. Okay. What is a symbol on the face opposite to that containing a single dot? To answer this question, we have to find all the 6 faces of this cube, so that I have to draw the cube first. For that, I am taking the first figure as my base figure. Okay, so the front face having only 1 dot, the right face having 2 dots, the top face is having a line. Clear? Okay. This I have taken the first figure as my reference figure. I am using the information given in these figures for understanding what are the faces opposite to these given faces. Clear? Okay, fine. Let me do. See, the initial figure, the line is like this. The line is like this. The line at the top face. In the second phase, it is like this. Is 90 degree towards right. Clear? Okay. When the line on the top is turned 90 degree towards right, what happened? These 2 dots comes at the front face. If these 2 faces has to come at the front face, it has been rotated 90 degree towards right. One rotation towards right. Clear? Okay. When it rotated 90 degree towards right, this 3 dot comes at the right side. Okay. If the 3 dot has to come at the right side when this figure rotate 90 degree towards right, then we can assume that these 3 faces would actually at the back side. Back side means side opposite to 1 dot. I think you got the idea. I am repeating once again. This figure is changed into this by rotating this die 90 degree towards right, or rotating once. Then these 2 dots which was at the right side of this cube come to the front face. If when this 2 dot comes at the front face, what comes at the right face? It is 3 dot. If this 3 dot comes at the right side, then definitely at the initial stage this 3 dot was at the back side or right of the 2 dot, that is to the exact opposite of 1 dot. Clear? Okay. Then I can say that 3 dot comes at the opposite of what? 1 dot, the single dot. I think we got the answer actually. What is a symbol on the face opposite to that containing a single dot? Actually the answer for this question is 3 dot. But let me complete the figure. So now 3 dot comes at the face opposite to the single dot. Clear? Okay. The next one. Now this 3 dot, now in the second figure the 3 dots is at the right side. At the third figure, in the third figure, the 3 dot is at the front face. If the 3 dot has to come at the front face, it has to make one more rotation. When it makes one more rotation, now the 3 dot is at the front face, but the right face, what contains the right face? It has 4 dots. If this 4 dot comes at the right face, when it makes a rotation, definitely we can say that this 4 dots is exactly opposite, is right of this 3 dot, that is this 4 dot is opposite to the 2 dot. So the 4 dot is opposite to what? The 2 dot. So 1 dot, 2, 3, 4, a line. What is left? A cross. So definitely the cross will be at the base face or the face opposite to this line. So anyway, the answer for this question, what is the symbol on the face opposite to that containing a single dot, that is 3 dot. The answer for this question is option B. Clear? Okay. Next one. What is a symbol on the face opposite to that containing 2 dots? Face opposite to that containing 2 dots. Okay, 2 dots. This is a face containing 2 dots. We have to we have to find the face that is opposite to the face containing 2 dots. What is actually? It is a 4 dot face. So the answer is 4 dots. Clear? Okay. Next question. What is the symbol on the face opposite to that containing the cross? Containing the cross. Okay. This is a cross is on the base face. The face opposite to the cross is the top face, which contains what? Which contains a line. So answer for this question is option C, line. So 3 questions are answered based on a single diagram or a single figure. So that's so we get what actually 7.5 marks for understanding the basics of a single question. Clear? Okay. Moving to the next question. A cube has 6 numbers marked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 on its faces. 3 views of the cube are shown below. Okay. The first is 164, then 132, 356. What possible numbers can exist on the 2 faces marked A and B respectively on the cube? Okay. In the initial question, like in the previous question, I am taking this first cube as my reference. Okay. So here comes 1, here comes 6, here comes 4. Okay. Now compare these 2 figures. In the first figure, 1 is at the top. In the second figure, 1 is at the front. How can this face can change from the top to front position? By rotating this die towards the front, so that the top face becomes the front face. So I am rotating towards front. I am moving this die towards the front. Clear? Towards the front, so that the front face is now 1. If I rotate this front face, this die towards the front, then the right face is 2, the top face is 3. Which means that if 1 is at the front face, then 3 becomes the top face, then 3 will be definitely to the is at the back face, that is opposite to 6. If 3 is opposite to 6, which means that 1 becomes front, then 3 becomes the top. So which means that 3 is opposite to what? 6. 3 is opposite to 6. So I can write 3 is opposite to 6. Now consider one more thing. I am left with about 2 and 5. See, 2 is common, is adjacent to what? Both 1 and 3. 2 is adjacent to both 1 and 3. So 2 can come where? This is a top face, this is a back face. 2 can come here because it is common to 1 and 3. 2 can come here by the opposite face of 4, the left face, which is common to what? 1 and 3. And but the right face is already have a number 4. So what we are left? We are left with the left face. Then we can assume that the left face is 2. The left face is 2, which is a adjacent to both 1 and 3. Then we are left 1, 2, 3, 4. What is left? We are left with the face 5. Clear? Okay. Now the figure is over. The question is, what possible numbers can exist on the 2 faces marked A and B respectively on the cube? Okay. The question is, this is the figure. The one face is 5. The other faces are B and A. Clear? Okay. So A, B are adjacent to Y. Now look at just the options. The option A is 2 and 3. Option B is 6, 1. Option C 1, 4. Option D 3, 1. 3 options contain what? 1. Can there any possibility that 1 being adjacent to 5? No. Why? Because 1 is opposite to 5. So there is no chance that 1 being adjacent to 5. So 1 can never be an adjacent phase to y because they are opposite phases. So 1 is not possible, 1 is not possible, 1 is not possible. The answer for this question will be definitely option A, 2 and 3. Let me check. Is 2 adjacent to 5? Yes, 2 is the left phase, it is adjacent to 5. Is 3 is adjacent to 5? Yes, 3 is the right phase, right back, they are at right bottom, both these phases are adjacent. So 5 is adjacent to the left phase and back phase. So yes, it is possible. Option A, 2 and 3 can be an answer, and it is the answer. So answer for this question is option A, 2 and 3. That's the end of the previous year questions from the topic Q. All the questions can be solved within 30 seconds or 1 minute, that because the questions are very simple. So I would like to request all the students to please practice more number of questions from the topic so that you will be able to solve the question in short time. Also, I request all the students to please do watch our previous videos that we have uploaded in our channel, so that you will be able to get an idea that what kind of questions that UPSC are asking and what is the weightage or the number of questions, what are the number of questions that are asked from each topic. So anyway, we will be back with the previous year questions from another topic. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you.
Amrita IAS Academy.